Hello, Teacher Brenda. My name is Jamie Magdalena Rodriguez Diaz, and it is a pleasure for me to be able to address you today. I am going to talk about my answers to the question. The first question says, what is the difference between consonants and vowel sounds? And the answer is very simple and concrete. The difference between vowels and consonant sounds is that consonants involve sound contractions or airflow, and vowels don't. Now I am going to try to explain the chart of classification of consonants. This is the chart. We can classify the consonant sound in voicing, place of articulation, and manner of articulation. I start with the first pair of sounds. They are p and b sounds, but are bilabial and stop sounds. But p sound is voiceless and v is voiced. The next are t and z sounds, but are alveolar and stop sounds. But t is voiceless and th is voiced. The next are k and g sounds, both are velar and stop sounds, but k is voiceless and g is voiced. Now we have a new group of sounds. The first pair are f and b sounds. They are labiodental and fricative sounds, but f is voiceless and v is voiced. The next are f and v sounds, but are interdental and fricative sounds, but v is voiceless and v is voiced. The next are s and z sounds. Both are alveolar and fricative sounds, but s is voiceless and z is voiced. Now we have sh and g sounds. Both are palatal and fricative sounds, but sh is voiceless and g is voiced. And we have the sound h, that is voiceless, fricative, and glottal sound. We continue with the classification, and we have j and ja sounds. They are palatal and fricative sounds, but j is voiceless and j is voiced. Now we have and sounds. They are nasals and voiced sounds, but is bilabial, is alveolar, and is velar. Also, we have and sounds, but are liquids and voiced sounds. But is alveolar and is palatal. And finally, we have w and j sounds. Both are glides and voiced, but w is bilabial and j is palatal. Well, teacher, that's all. Thanks for listening to me. Blessings. Bye-bye.